Hello friends, welcome to Tech Lesson Academy. I'm here with another video with a new educational video. I hope you learned a lot from the previous on video. I will share a link to make professional thumbnails where you can make free thumbnails for your YouTube videos. In this video, I will try to show how to make a thumbnail using tricks. So please don't skip and watch the full video to learn. The process of creating thumbnails is very simple. For creating thumbnails, Canva app is just awesome. Here you can see this Canva app on my mobile screen. Here you will make profile pictures with thumbnails, cover pictures and even free copyright videos. Before starting the process, you need to download Canva app and log in from your Gmail or Facebook. I had already logged in from Gmail. After login, simply search YouTube thumbnail in the search box. There are thousands of thumbnails that you can see here. From here you can choose the one according to your preference. I chose it to show you. You can write here your title. You can raise them. You can delete them if you want. Here I write how to make thumbnail. You can small, you can long, anything. When you are done, tap on the save option or the download icon and it will be saved in your gallery. You can make thumbnails another ways. The another way is Instagram app where we create a story. You have to go there and create with your any picture. I work from Canva picture to show you. Scroll from bottom to top and bring whatever you want to bring like this. I am showing it to you to understand. You can add here any symbol. Like YouTube, any symbols. Now I get screenshot. If you cannot open YouTube channel or how to open two YouTube channels with one Gmail, there is a video about in my channel. If you want, you can watch it. I have given a link in this description of this video. You can watch it by clicking on the link. Now I cut it to thumbnail sizes with screenshot through normal edit. Create thumbnails process is over. Hope you all understood the whole process well. If you want more videos like this, subscribe and press the bell icon to get our video first.